Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here once again with our beautiful parcel from the kind people over at Beebeecraft.com. They sent me this lovely package of goods and I've been sharing it with you. Now I am opening these one at a time and sharing them one at a time. And I'm doing these videos back to back, which is why I am wearing the same shirt. I'm a little bit cold today. But I'll be putting them out one at a time and a few days apart. And then at the end, we'll be doing an overview video. Simply because longer videos don't do well on my channel. I don't know why. But anyway, we're going to just grab the next thing in here and see what it is. And move this bag aside. And, oh, this is another set of stitch markers. But these are Sunnyclue stitch markers. The first set we opened were from Beads. So let's see what we have. So you can see they came in this really pretty little box, which I think is nice because things like this would make a lovely gift or stocking stuffer. I mean, I would like to get something like this, and I did. So thank you, Beebeecraft. But look how cute. Look how cute this little box is. So it says here, start your craft journey, stitch markers. So stitch markers are used to hold your place when you're crocheting or knitting, especially when you're working in rounds and you have to go like in spirals so that you don't have to keep counting. So if you have to go around like, 50 times, usually I count to 50 and then I start over. But this way you don't, if it's just all single crochet, you just put your stitch marker and you go around, and when you come back to the stitch marker, you know you're starting another round. So they're really handy. I usually just use a piece of yarn. But why should I just use a piece of yarn when there's adorable stitch markers, right? So let's see. And these came in a little plastic case. And because I am Crafty Cat, I could not resist. I got cats. Look how cute these are. Oh, and I like this little case. I always reuse these little cases. Like if, say, I'm doing jewelry and I make all the jewelry, I keep these. They're so handy. So here we have the little case. And here we have the little cats. I love cats. I'm allergic to cats. My name is Cat. My real name is Catherine. I go by Catherine, Kathy, and Cat. My mom has been calling me Cat since I was a little girl. And oh my gosh, look how many cats. So you guys, there are so many cats here. These are enamel, cat-shaped alloy enamel pendant lock stitching markers. They're $8.49 for this entire set. I don't think I realized that I was getting this many cats. I am now officially the crazy cat lady. And I also did not realize that their tails moved. Oh my gosh. You know what? I might have to make some of these into earrings. What do you think? Super cute. $8.49. So I'm going to click on them. It says there's 14 pieces in the set. Wow. So you can see they came on this little ring, and the ring can be opened up at the top here. It has this little doohickey on it. I don't know if my camera will pick up. And you can undo it, and you can get the cats off the ring. So I'm just going to put that right back in there. So we have a little black cat with a stripy tail. And look, you guys. So let's sort these out, shall we? Let's see. So we have black cat. That looks like a Siamese cat. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that cat is. Look how cute. I can't stand how cute these are. So these are a little different. The rings that hold them are not the same as the other ones. You could definitely turn these into earrings. I love this pink cat. Look at this pink cat. Look at, he's wagging his tail. Or she. He or she. Could be both. Could be either. I think she because pink, but you never know. Oh, there's the back. So I hadn't showed you the back yet. So the back is pretty. And I think, is that a calico cat? Like, I am deathly allergic to cats. I can't be in a house with a cat for 10 minutes before I have to go to emergency. Because I don't just have allergies. I have asthma, and it triggers really bad asthma attacks on my part. But I have wanted a cat all my life. I've wanted a yellow and orange cat all my life. And when I was a little girl, I fell in love with a gray cat, and I really wanted the gray cat. Look at that one. Look. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. These are so cute. I just, look at the little gray cat. In his mouth. You know, I am 60 years old. I'm going to be 61 years old this summer. I still feel like a 6-year-old when I get stuff like this. Okay. Here's the other black and white cat. You look like a kind of skeleton cat. I don't know why he reminds me of a skeleton. Halloween cat. And next up, we have the other Siamese kitty. And what do you think is going to be next? It's this one. It's a little brown and orange. Well, is that orange or brown? What would you say? And look at the little face. The eyes hang. Come on, camera. This cat has closed eyes and a smiling face. I love that cat. I love all the cats. And another pink one. He looks surprised, or she. And last but not least, this one. So, you guys, these are the cutest cats in the whole world. I think how am I going to show you all these cats? What I'm going to do is take my camera right off the holder. Hang on. And bring it down to show you close up. What do you think of these cats? How cute are they? And they came in this little case, in this nice little box, with this little hoop, and this little baggie. Look at, this is the whole set you get. Look, this would make a lovely gift for a cat lover in your life, wouldn't it? Or maybe you're like me and you're the cat lover. Which ones are your favorites? I love them all. I am really drawn to these ones, and these ones out of all of them, but I'm one of those people that if you ask me again tomorrow, my mood will have changed, so what I like the most will have changed. Look at the pink ones. They're beautiful. They are all so gorgeous. So let's get closer. So here are the gray and black ones. It looks like she's sticking out her tongue. And the orange and black ones. The brown ones. I love the face on that one. Little pinky. Look at these guys. Oh, look how sad. Look at the little sad face. Little surprise face. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. I like the look on this one's face. Oh my gosh. Which one do you like the best, you guys? It's so hard to tell. Okay, we're going back into the camera holder. Hang on. Woo. Okay, let me adjust the camera a little bit. All right, so now we're going to head over to the website so I could show you. So here we are at the website, beebeecraft.com, and you can see these cost $9.44 Canadian, but you can go up in the upper right-hand corner and choose your own currency. You can choose your own language, and they're just adorable, aren't they? So, and there's all kinds of other things on this website too, and you can use CAT10 for 10% off this or any other order you choose. So let's head back to the regular video now. All right, so we are back. Isn't that website cool? So $8.49 Canadian for all of these cats, and they are adorable. Can we zoom in a little bit? Super, super adorable, you guys. I love this set. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft, for sending this. I am going to make use out of these. If I don't use them as stitch markers, I might turn them into cat earrings. I have to figure out how to open these. I'm not sure. I think I just pull them apart and then pull. Yeah, okay. You pull them back. You pull them out and then back. So you grab one and then pull this one in and back. So that's how you open them. And honestly, I think these would make really cute earrings, and I love I love how their little tails wag. Super cute. I love these so much. You can even buy rings, the bigger rings, and you could use these as like wine glass holders so that, you know, if you're at a party, everyone could have a different, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 different people could have 7 different cats so that they would know which drink was theirs. That would work too. If you, I don't drink, so that, you know, but I mean, that would work for even pop or whatever. Sometimes you're at a party and you have those pretty wine glasses and people are just drinking punch. So, yeah. Anyway, that is it for the Sunnyclue stitch markers. I hope you liked them. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those great things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, happy shopping, happy crocheting, happy knitting, happy everything that you love to do. And if you love to do something, do it. And if you don't have something that you love to do, go on over to beebeecraft.com and look at their website, because you will find something that you will learn to love. And I have done that with beading. Yeah, they sent me a beading kit, and now I love beading. So there's always something new, and I'm almost 61 years old, and I'm always finding new things to learn and love, and it's never too late, you guys. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever it is you're doing. Take care, stay safe, and happy crafting, happy shopping. Bye, guys.